Okay, welcome back. It's June 10th and it's about 9:30 here on the West Coast, so we're going to go jump over and look at the S&P 500. This almost didn't happen today, meaning this review, but I want to get this here for you so that you have an idea of what to expect here in the overnight session and then tomorrow. So let's just recap real quick here. And of course, we'll be back in the morning doing tomorrow's. So, a couple of things here important to point out. If we look at, we had this big move down. They came right off the CP here within 3 ticks off the CP on the news right there. And then that basically on the open, this was enough to get a nice push up to here. This all-time high now puts it at 42.49. And then really nice, really big pullback down to here. And we were looking for this 20 area to hold. Actually, in the live trade signals, we bought 20 and then we covered it up here. So this was a real nice move on the way up here. So you can see once they put this in, and there was this big explosion out of here, and then um, moved all the way back up here to 43.50, back up into this little supply area, but no big reaction out of that. So back down to the CPs, and then that's basically held. This is very unlikely to be high enough. So let's go talk about this. Is fascinating. If you really understood the way prediction points work and how they're generated, and it's fascinating to go look at tomorrow's prediction points. And what's amazing about this is that we could actually have generated Friday's prediction points and had them on Thursday. And it would have looked like this. We would have had these prediction points here at 49 and at 43.75. And so it's really amazing that it works out that way. So anyway, so this is not here because there was an all-time high here. This would have been here either way. It's got nothing to do with this trading that happened here. So yeah, so just absolutely nothing to do with this. In fact, I happened to go look, and the data point for this is in July of 2019, I think. So it's taking data from back on July of 2019, and this is where that came from. It's really crazy that, so maybe a note to me is that in the future, when we have a really big gap like that, might want to go look at the next day's prediction points and get an idea. So ended up being the high right there to the tick. Anyway, so now back up above that, look here again. So maybe we should go look at Monday's prediction points if they break out here again. So here we go. 40. This yeah. So here's key turns at 57. We talked a little bit about that this morning. The 60 area will be definitely of interest. So I'll be looking for a move to this 42.60 at a minimum, and we'll see from there. Let's throw the fibs in here and see. But anyway, the important thing is they finally broke out of this just insanely tight, boring range that they've been in. So 57.75 is basically that first level, which would be like a probe area through the prediction point. So kind of interesting. This will be interesting. So we'll just see what they do overnight here. That'll give us a lot of answers. And I'll be back doing a video in the morning. We'll do a pre-market video and we'll go from there. So hope everyone had a great day today. Be back in the morning. Thanks for tuning in tonight, and I will see you in the morning.